Hi everyone, so let's do a recap of day 4 and talk about day 5. So had some winning trade on EuroGPY and also so and also a break even on gold. So EuroGPY was a decent trade on the entry time frame. I mean, I'm not sure if it's even decent. So for entry time frame, what we have is some kind of stage 1 of accumulation here possible. I mean, technically it's redistribution, but because of how rangy it is, how flat, and then structure starts to hold and makes impulse correction, and on the new impulse to the upside, I entered like this, and then just managed the stop loss. So here managed to here, from here to here, and then later based on the arrows managed like it goes. However, so the development of the trade was fine. I could and should have, I guess, trailed higher at this point, so to 5 so maybe to 5R or to 4R. Yeah, definitely it would be better to trail here, but I decided just to leave it here. Why it would be better to trail to that level? Because let me show you this. As you can see, middle time frames are totally against me, and they are either in redistribution or distribution, and even daily. So daily made this impulse to the downside in a possible reaccumulation, not the clearest one, because this big impulse created the demand and came back to it. So like it's really forced based on middle time frames, but it is what it is. So gold trade was much better in my opinion. Unfortunately, I went into it a bit late, so I wanted to enter a bit earlier here, but context is basically perfect. So we have bullish weekly, bullish daily, and bullish daily ranges that I discussed many times. We have a tap into the zone here in a clear reaccumulation, which is now confirmed and created impulse correction, impulse on 4 hours, on 1 hour, and just as 15 minutes created this reaccumulation here. Again, not the clearest price action in terms that it's a bit high up, it's moving to a bit rangy, but we have higher lows here, structure is holding, and we have impulse correction, and on the new impulse I entered, it went to break-even level, then took me out at break-even, and now is ranging. Possibly it wants, I guess it wants to go and take it all out. So yeah, other pairs were pretty unclear. So I also had some loser on here. So we have perfect bullish market, however it's a bit overextended. 1 hour like started to perform pretty massive price action, but I decided to enter here, and it still probably can play out. Let's see, it has the potential, but we have 7 MBs up now, 8 MBs up, so real looking for reaccumulation on New York. Entered this like really shitty trade right now. Everything is against me basically, so just looking for some momentum to the downside, but it's not supported by higher time frames or whatsoever, like really not supported. So expecting a loser here, unfortunately. And that's all the other pairs were more or less unclear. So we have GU that just created this move out of unclear price action from on the news. Yeah, so the end of the week is a bit better compared to the beginning, but the markets are shitty. Yeah, and I have big problems when the markets are unclear, like If all the markets aren't clear, then I just pick something and trade shitty price action, unfortunately.